कामयं सदा तदा यत्तात्मसत्तादिं रामानुजमुनिं भजे। लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्मा व्यामोहदस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धो रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणाम्बुजराजहंसं श्रीवानशैलमुनिवर्यपदाब्जभृङ्गं श्रीशालग्रामगुरुवर्यतनूजरत्नं श्रीकेशवार्यपदपङ्कजमाश्रयामि। जयतिराज फणिराजवतारमणे प्रबलपाषण्डतमोहरणभानो विजयी भव विजयी भव विजयी भव। I welcome you all in the 118th part of our ongoing Gita lessons, and today we will start our discussion from the 6th mantra of the 18th chapter. As you all know, this chapter is named as Moksha Sannyas Yoga, and Bhagavan Shri Krishna is going to summarize the message of total Bhagavad Gita in this chapter. So we shall try to learn this chapter with very focused mind. Now the 6th mantra. एतान्यपितु कर्माणि संगं त्यक्त्वा फलानि च कर्तव्यानीति मे पार्थ निश्चितं मतमुत्तमम्। यस्मात् मनीषिणां यज्ञदान तपः प्रभृतीनि पावनानि तस्मात् उपासनवत् एतानि अपि यज्ञादीनि कर्माणि मदाराधन रूपाणि संगम कर्मणि ममताम् फलानि च त्यक्त्वा आहरः अप्रयाणात् उपासन निर्वृत्ते मुमुक्षुणा कर्तव्यानि इति मम निश्चितम् उत्तमं मतम्। Bhagavan says that if you want to ask about my decision, my wish via my policy, I will state that, I will announce that the different Vedic karmas like that of the sacrifice, yajna, penance, tapasya, dan, offerings, gifts and all these things, these all actions should be performed parallel to the upasana by the devotees, because these actions are the purifier of the cycles of karmas from past births. They purifies your cycle of karmas. These actions, these Vedic actions should be treated as Madaradhan Rupanita. That is, this shall also be treated as worshipping me. A person should worship, a devotee should worship me with the actions according to the Varnashrama Avastha. How is it possible? If he is performing these actions, Sangam Karmani Mamatam Phalani Chatukta, by not attaching himself with the doership nature, means he accepts that he is not the doer of all such actions, and he accepts that Paramatma is the doer of all such actions. Along with it, with the removal of doership from his feelings, he should try to continue all the actions till the last breath of his life, along with the upasana which is performing in his daily routine. So this is my rule in reference to the tyag. So this should be the practice which he shall try to perform.